Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. In our last class we have started chapter number 9. Today I will continue with the same chapter. Let's take out your book, children, and open page number 44, Clothes We Wear. In our last class we have learned about there are two types of fibers, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fiber are those fibers that we get from plants and animals, or some natural fibers are jute, cotton, wool and silk, and we get cotton and jute from cotton plants. They are called plant fibers, and we wear the cotton clothes in summer. These clothes are made up of cotton fibers. We also use bags made from jute sacks to keep things. Even ropes made from jute are used by us. We get jute fiber from jute plants. Then it comes to animal fibers. We get wool, silk from animals, and these are called animal fibers. What are man-made fibers? Man-made fibers are those fibers that are artificially made by man. Some examples of man-made fibers are nylon, rayon, polyester. Today I will continue with seasons and clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. In winter time, children, we wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep us warm. Because winter time it's cold outside, so woolen clothes keep us warm. That's why in winter we use woolen clothes. It is very hot in summer season, so we wear light color cotton clothes. Summertime it's hot outside, so we wear light color cotton clothes. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat and keep us cool. In summertime we wear light cotton clothes because it absorbs the heat and sweat and keep us cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. Next page. During rainy season, we wear raincoat and gumboots when we go out in the rain. We also carry umbrellas with us. These clothes are waterproof. They protect us from rain. Raincoat, umbrella, gumboots, these all things are waterproof and in order protect us from rain. Uniforms. Children wear specific dresses when they go to school. Such dresses are called uniforms. So children, if I ask you what is uniform, what will be the answer? Children wear specific dresses when they go to school. Such dresses are called uniforms. Okay. Look at this box, children. Cotton is the most popular and best selling fabric in the world. Kimono is the traditional Japanese robe. Okay. Cotton is the most popular and best selling fabric in the whole world. Next comes some adults also wear special uniforms. Their uniforms are designed to suit the kind of job they do. Some adults also wear uniforms. According to their job need, they wear the uniforms like naval officer, doctor, policeman, fireman, lawyer, postman, nurse, soldier. They all wear different types of uniforms according the need of their job. Okay. Next come clothes and the countries. People living in very cold regions like Antarctica wear heavy woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. Because Antarctica is a very cold place, so they wear heavy woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. People living in hot places like Arab countries wear loose cotton robes. These robes protect them from dust and also absorb sweat. Taking care of one more line is there. Actors and dancers wear special clothes called costumes. Actors and dancers wear special clothes called costumes. Then taking care of the clothes. How we should take care of the clothes? We should always keep our clothes clean. We should regularly wash our clothes and iron them. We should wash our clothes in gentle detergent and dry them under the sun. Some clothes like silks and woolens need to be dry cleaned. We should keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves with our clothes as these protect them from insects. So this way we can keep clean our clothes. What we have to do? We should keep our clothes clean. We should regularly wash our clothes and iron them. We should wash our clothes in gentle detergent and dry them under the sun. Some clothes like silks, woolens need to be dry cleaned. We should keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves with our clothes as this protect them from the insects. So let's go over the whole chapter. What was there? Just have a look. We wear clothes to look smart. Clothes cover our body and also protect us from heat, cold and rain. There are two kinds of fibers, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers that we get from plants or animals. Man-made fibers are those fibers that are artificially made by man. We should take care of our clothes. So these are the chapter, children. We have finished chapter number 9, clothes we wear, and this is our final chapter before our half yearly exam. So now I will do the question answer with you, and then from next day I will start the revision work. Get ready, children. Page number 48. We get wool from, see, you have to give the tick for the correct option. 3 options are there. We get wool from plant, dog and sheep. What will be the correct answer, children? From where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Did you remember the poem? So we get wool from sheep. In summers, we wear clothes made up of, what are the options, children? Cotton, wool and silk. In summer, we wear clothes made up of cotton. Raincoat protect us from the sun, the rain and the cold. Raincoat protect us from the rain. In school, children wear uniform, traditional clothes and frocks. In school, children wear uniform. Option B, using the clues, fill in the blanks. There are 4 options are given and 4 fill in the blanks is there. You have to put the correct option in the proper blank. Clothes are made from fibers. Okay. Clothes are made from fibers. F-I-B-R-E-S. Fibers. In summer we wear light colored cotton clothes. In summer we wear light colored cotton clothes. Okay. Cotton clothes absorb sweat. Cotton clothes absorb sweat. We carry umbrellas when it rains. We carry umbrellas when it rains. Is it clear, children? So, the first blank you have to write fibers. Second is light colored. Third is cotton clothes absorb sweat. And the fourth one is umbrella. Okay. These 4 question answers. This is your homework, children. You have to do it by yourself. In my next class, I will just revise the answers with you. Then I will move on to the revision part. So take care of yourself, children. God bless you. Bye-bye.